Hi, I'm Tim Misny. For 33 years, I've been a personal injury lawyer based in Cleveland, Ohio. I am known throughout northeastern Ohio as the lawyer who makes them pay. I make them pay.
Well, you've probably seen him on commercials, and you've definitely heard his catchphrase.
I'll make them pay. It is time to make them pay.
Tim Misny.
Mr. Tim Misny.
Tim, your commercials are everywhere. Everyone knows you, and everyone knows, more importantly, that you make them pay.
If someone's hurt your family, call me. I'll be there for you, and I'll make them pay. Before I started using the I'll make them pay branding, I was just like you. My commercials were run-of-the-mill. I used common phrases that we've all heard before. No recovery, no fee. Call me anytime. I'll fight for you. I'll be there for you. I was spending a lot of money advertising on television, but the big cases were not consistently coming my way. In essence, I was lost in the clutter. My dear friend Eric Manis, who is a Hollywood producer, came up with the I'll make them pay concept. I got to tell you, initially I was taken back. I thought it was too in your face. But Eric said, don't tell me how to do what I do, and I won't tell you how to practice law. I'm so thankful that I listened to his good counsel, because even though initially you may think it's too aggressive, this branding is exactly what it takes to connect with potential clients.
I'm Dave Nager, and I'm here to tell you that the I'll make them pay branding is pure gold.
Don't pass on the opportunity to benefit from Tim Misny's I'll make them pay slogan. If you want major injury and wrongful death cases on a regular basis, all you need to do is one thing: start making them pay.
When someone is hurt badly and they're lying in a hospital bed and the insurance company refuses to pay their medical bills, lost wages, and/or their property damage, their reaction is very primal. They, more than anything else, want someone who will make them pay. The I'll make them pay branding transformed me from just another lawyer who represents the injured victim into the lawyer who represents the injured victim. Without question, major cases began coming my way. I recently resolved claims for $2.1 million, $3.5 million, $5.25 million, $42.5 million, and even $50 million. Because of the I'll make them pay branding, I sign up at least one major case per week. I have to tell you, two amazing and powerful things happen when you are known as the lawyer who makes them pay. Number one, you can run fewer ads because they have such a tremendous impact. And secondly, you will now be able to incorporate into your repertoire a 5-second spot. At a fraction of the cost of a 15-second or 30-second commercial, my 5-second messages have as much or even more of an impact. Bad accident, I'll make them pay. The insurance company has either arbitrarily denied a claim or insulted you and your client with a ridiculously low offer. What did you do? You geared up and you hit them hard and you made them pay. Now all you have to do is simply start branding yourself as the lawyer who makes them pay. This is truly the missing piece in the puzzle that will make all the difference for the rest of your career. As soon as you adopt the I'll make them pay branding, your image will be instantaneously and permanently transformed. Your message will be powerful, unique, and succinct and easily discernible. The effect on my television and internet advertising has been nothing short of phenomenal. And please know that it has the same effect in all diverse forms of social media. Potential clients are able to connect with my message, and because of that, their posts and comments on social media are remarkable. If you use internet advertising, whether it's pay-per-click or search engine optimization, being branded, I'll make them pay, you get much better results. On search engines where all the names start to blur together, I'll make them pay stands out among the competition, and potential clients gravitate towards it. Once your image becomes I'll make them pay, the ripple effect is astonishing. Here's the threshold consideration. An independent marketing study commissioned by Cleveland CBS affiliate interviewed 1,000 people in the northeastern Ohio area. They were asked if they were involved in an accident, who would they hire? 20% of the people responded by naming me and my branding, whereas my number one competitor, who outspends me by 70% in television advertising, only got a 4% response. I had 5 times greater name recognition. I am number 1 in awareness, but shockingly, I am number 8 in spending. Recently, the CBS station hired a marketing consultant, Jim Filippi, to do an extensive and detailed analysis of lawyer advertising in Northeast Ohio.
Hi, I'm Jim Filippi. I work for Marcia Marketing and travel all over the country doing consumer research. In the Cleveland marketplace, we complete 1,000 interviews with consumers in the metro. We ask 2 questions in regards to personal injury. The first is an awareness for lawyers and attorneys in the marketplace. Their advertising awareness, I'll make them pay, is by far the dominant response in our survey. And my estimate is that Tim Misny and I'll Make Them Pay spends a fraction of what the attorneys spend in the marketplace. I travel around the country sharing the I'll Make Them Pay story and the success of this simple brand that creates a dominant response. There is no attorney category anywhere in the country that I experience this type of dominance with the simple brand like I'll Make Them Pay. If there is any opportunity that you have to take advantage of this branding in your marketplace, I would strongly recommend that you be the I'll Make Them Pay.
We walked into a completely new market where nobody knew who we were. Day one picked up a catastrophic case, and probably in the first month picked up 100 new cases or more. There's not a lawyer in my broadcast zone that doesn't wish they had the I'll Make Them Pay branding. With this branding, I know one thing. I don't have to worry anymore. Everyone else has to worry.
Why do we do what we do? What motivates us to get up in the morning and go to work? We do it for our families. So often, the efforts we make as lawyers are just to survive. If you adopt the I'll Make Them Pay branding, it no longer will be a matter of just surviving. It will transform your firm and ultimately your family's lifestyle for generations to come. There's nothing more rewarding than knowing your family is taken care of. Adopting the I'll Make Them Pay branding will make that happen. Can you imagine signing up 1 or 2 big cases every month? Contemplate that. Now take it a step further. Can you imagine signing up 1 or 2 big cases every week? My family has a lifestyle I never dreamt possible. And I believe in my heart of hearts that this is made possible because of our branding. I want to talk to you about this amazing proposal to transform your law practice and your life. I'll Make Them Pay is one of the few brandings in the world that makes it such that you don't need to explain who you are or what you do.